Phone cases make our pretty well-designed thin phones worse. But after shattering the screens on 2 of my previous phones, I've accepted them as a necessary evil, and a few of them can actually add some grip to the phone and not look awful in the process. Mitesh, Butterfinger, Shah here with MTech, and today I have a review for you of 2 cases from Tudia, the Tamm and the Merge. And shout out to Tudia for sending these out to me for a review. So I first want to talk about the Tamm because it's very similar to the Spigen Rugged Armor case that I bought for my Pixel 2, and the main reason I went for the Spigen case is because I had it for my Axon 7 before this and it was good enough. The Tamm and the Rugged Armor case are both made out of TPU and are super flexible, and while they don't provide a ton of protection, they're not super bulky, which I personally like, and they don't take away from the slim figure of the Pixel 2. And while they may not give maximum protection, they do give some, so I've definitely had my Spigen case save my Pixel 2 a couple times from some falls, and I don't doubt the Tamm will do the same. But I prefer the Tamm because, to me, it just looks better. Not only does it come in 3 different colors, but the camera cutouts on the back of the Tamm case just look much better than what Spigen has done with theirs. All the other cutouts are about the same for both the cases, so for me, the Tamm has better looks, so I'm going to put that on my phone. Now let's talk about that second case, the Merge. This is for those of you who don't mind a little more bulk for knowing that your phone will be very well protected. It's got a dual layer design with a soft TPU covering your phone and a rigid plastic to give it that extra protection from falls. One of the nice things about this case versus other bulky cases is the fact that the buttons are still really easy to press. I have the case here in metallic slate, but it also comes in mint blue, rose gold, or just plain black. Additionally, even though this is a pretty bulky case, at least compared to the Tamm, it's not that bulky. It's not like an OtterBox or something like that where it's really kind of hard to fit, especially if you're wearing skinny jeans or something. But this one is nice, and I would keep it, except I like my thin case, and I'm going to be sticking with the Tamm on my phone. Overall, I'm really happy with both of these cases and would recommend either of them for anyone who's looking for a case, especially at the prices. The Tamm is only $11 and the Merge is just $12 on Amazon, so they're both a bargain for the quality you're getting. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.